Looking for work? Look no further than this Lake Country Heavy Equipment Operator School, where it's almost a guarantee you'll have a job right out of school. The school's pumping out so many viable employees, there's actually not enough supply.
It's been really hot. We have representatives calling us almost on a daily basis right now, searching for operators. For example, we had one company call us looking for 40 operators alone.
No one behind me?
For operators in training like Gary Noble, it means good wages and job security.
It's a job that's in high demand, so I know I'm not going to be looking for work for a long period of time. I know that as soon as I leave the school, I'll be working.
Despite the boom, Canada's job numbers indicate the economy has stagnated. Last month, Canada lost 40,000 jobs, mostly public service and part-time, unemployment inching up about 7%. Quebec took the worst with a 30,000 job loss, but BC also shed 12,000 jobs. Part of the reason for BC's losses could be perhaps linked to workers crossing provincial borders.
Larry, nice to meet you guys.
During an oil patch job fair in the Okanagan this afternoon, one company looking to hire almost 1,000 people over the next couple months to work in Alberta.
There's a lot of tradesmen who live down in regions like this because it is such a beautiful place to live. But with that said, there is opportunities in Alberta, and we feel that there's some people down here who are looking for opportunities in the oil field.
Experts believe BC is set to grow considerably over the next couple years as LNG production is expected to ramp up, meaning many of those workers could be heading back to BC to ride that wave. Eric Cito, Global News.